Now, dear student, let's start the new question, and that is question number three. Yes, this was the last part of question number one. Now, my dear student, some students are asking me to buy a new book, a new version, but I still have second edition of this. If somebody can send me the picture of the new book, I can purchase it from old book bank. Okay, now, but since then, just compromise with this book. Okay, question number two. Question number two is very easy. Find area and colored region. Okay, now this is given like this. Okay, and we have to find the area of this colored region and arc length. This is the colored region and arc length is this. So it is more uh, easier than the previous one. The angle is given 70 degree. Yes, angle is 70 degree, and the radius is how much? 18 centimeter. So same formula will apply over here, but without the measurements of these two radii, because in previous we have to find the whole perimeter. So these two radii were added in our calculation. Now we have to find only the arc length. Arc length. So arc length is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by theta upon 360. So it is 2.2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 70 divided by 360. So this 0 goes with this one, and rest of this should be calculated with a calculator. 6.28 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 7, and it will be divided by 36. Now it will become 21.98 or nearly equal to 22 centimeters. Okay, again got to check the answer. Okay, fine, good, correct. And area, but area will include all this. The formula of area will remain same, that is pi r square multiplied by theta upon 360. Okay, and this is pi r square 18 the whole square multiplied by 70 upon 360. This will goes with this one, and the rest, the square of 18, we'll find the square of 18. 18 square 324, so this is 324. Okay, rest of the calculation is 3.14 multiplied by 7 divided by 36. 197.82, 197.82 centimeter square, or nearly equal to, okay. So my dear students, see how uh, easy these questions are. Yes, it is okay. Now next question. Next question is all the same, with the change of this uh, angle. Instead of this angle 70, we'll do it with 120 degree, and this dimension is 8.2. This is 8.2. Rest of the things are same. So skipping this question, part B, will be proceeding to part C, because part C is a little different from the other. So it's a sphere, it's a circle with a sector which is missing from it. A sector is missing from this circle. Okay, now this angle is given, that is 95 degree. But this angle is given, this is not given. Okay, and the radius is 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter. This angle is given, outer angle which has been cut out from this circle, and the radius is given, which is 6.4. So my dear students, we'll calculate this angle first, because all the angles in the circle are 360 degree. 360 degree, we'll just subtract we'll just subtract 95 out of it, because 95 has been cut out from this. So suppose it is 260, but minus 5, 260. Okay, 265. I just uh, taken it in my mind that it is 100. So 100 means 260, and 5 more come over here. So it is 265. So the internal angle is 265 degree. Now the question remains the same. Now we have to find the arc length. L is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by theta upon 360. This is the, in previous we had to find, so we write this as well, but now we don't have to find this, because only arc length is asked. So it will become 2 pi r, 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 6.4 multiplied by 265 divided by 360. Okay, just calculate it and you will get the answer. And that is, the answer be 6.28 multiplied 6.4 multiplied 265 divided by 360. That is equal to 29.58. 29.58 or 29.6 centimeters. Okay. Now the area is equal to pi r square into theta upon 360. That is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 6.4 the whole square and 265 divided by 360. So when you will calculate this, you will get the answer. Same is the case with part D. Okay, let's just discuss only. I'm going to discuss only. I'm not going to calculate, because the whole format is the same. So this angle is given. You see, in question number D, part number D, question 2, part number D. What is given here is 3 meters. The radius is 3 meter and this angle is given, which is 175. Now just subtract 175 from 360. 360 minus 175 equals 185. So this angle is 185. Your theta angle is 130. 185. Okay. So rest of the format will remain the same. Okay, now I'm going to solve question part number F now. F is a little different. The rest of the questions are same. So there are two quarter circles, almost quarter circles. I don't know, because I am not read. I am just seeing the figure. So these are almost the quarter circles. Let me make it a little more presentable. Yes, now it is a little more presentable. Now this is 62 degree. Of course, when two parallel lines are cutting each other, it is again 62 degree, and it is also given. And parallel line is also given. This sign stands for parallel lines. And 15, the radius 15 centimeter is also given. So we have to find the arc length. Now the arc length consists of two arc lengths. Okay. So L is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by theta upon 360. Okay. Now this is for 1. We have to find 2. Okay. When we write here 2, we'll have to multiply it with 2 also. Because there are two arc lengths. One arc length is this, one arc length is this. So we have to find 2L's. Okay. So it is just multiply this with this. So it will become 4 pi r theta upon theta. Let's just write it down. Theta is 62 degree and 360. 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r is 15, and okay. So after calculating, what we get is 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 62 equals this, and divided by 360 is equal to 32.44. Now the length of both arcs is 32.44 centimeter. 32.44 centimeter. Sometimes I make mistakes, so I always check the answer at every now and then, and I make a mistake. एक ये जी 2F to the F 62.5. Find the following. Okay. So this question was a little different. I have not seen the question. So this is the arc length. This is the arc length. The two arc lengths. Okay. But in this question, in this specific question, we have to find the perimeter. So these one and the old story will be repeated over here. 2r plus 2r will be added. So 2r is equal to 30. 30. So it will become 62.44. 62.44. Now let me check the answer. Yes, it is correct now. It is correct now. Okay, because the whole perimeter was asked instead of the arc lengths. Now, my dear students, question number 3. Question number 3, part A. If you just understand the concept, you will be able to do these questions by yourself. Okay? Now, the only thing is to understand the concepts. Now, this is a dotted line. That means this is not included. Whatsoever the question B, this is not included. Now we have to find the perimeter of the colored region. We have to find the perimeter of the colored region, and colored region is only this. Now this part is not included in the perimeter. This part. Only this. See what we do here. See what we do here. We will do. Now, just there are two ways of doing this. This is 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. First of all, we see that this is, now this is also given to ensure that this is a rectangular shape. This is a rectangular shape. These are also given. It means 90, 90, 90, 90. Okay, we'll find the perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is P is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. But my dear students, see that we have only one B over here. So this is whole L, this is L, and this is B from here to here. Now this we have only one because this is the curved part. So our perimeter will remain like this, 2L plus B. Okay, our perimeter will remain like this. Now this formula will not be used. Okay, only one, we have only one B, so therefore 2L means 2 multiplied by 8 plus B is 5. So it is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 centimeter. 20 meter. Okay. Now what? Now this is 5 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter is also 5 centimeter over here. And of course, when diameter is 5 centimeter, the radius be 2.5 centimeter. Half of the diameter is radius. So, my dear student, we'll calculate this arc length now. And this is a semicircle. You see, this is a semicircle. So 2 pi r divided by 2. Divided by 2 because this is a semicircle. And I have told you in my earlier question, theta upon 360 means if we just 180 divided by 360, it becomes 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. Straight 1 by 2. Okay. Now this 2 will cancel this one. So it will become 3.14 multiplied by 2.5. Okay. Just keep this question answer with you. This is not finished as yet. And electricity has gone. So you are feeling a little dim image. 7.85. Now this is 7. So what we do? We start walking from here to here, then the circular path, and back to this part, and back to our initial part. It will be 21 and 7.85. It will be this. Okay, centimeter. So this is the question. for you. Okay, now next part. But before going proceeding, 3 part A, 30, and we also have to find, yes, we also have to find the area. Okay, we also have to find the area of the same figure. So let us find the area of the same figure. Area. Okay, now area of rectangular is length multiplied by breadth, and we'll minus the area, minus, we'll subtract the area pi r square of this semicircle, pi r square divided by 2, because this is semicircle. Okay, it will, L is equal to, what was it, 8, yes, 8 multiplied by 5, 8 multiplied by 5 minus 3.14 multiplied by r square. R square is 2.5, the whole square, divided by 2. So it will become 40 minus, the rest of the calculation will be done with calculator. I am not so genius that I just calculated 6.25 multiplied by 3.14 equals this, divided to 3.14 multiplied 6.25 divided by 2. So it becomes 9.8. Okay, so 9.8, we just subtract 9.8, it is almost 10. So it will become 30.2 centimeters square, because this is cut out from the rectangle. This portion is cut out from the rectangle. So we have also cut out the area from the rectangular area. Answer. Yes, okay.